Hi everyone, Abby Allen, founder of GlueStick, here again with another episode of Welcome to My Kitchen Table. This week it is spooky season and my daughter and I are very excited about spending the entire day on Friday doing some crafty things together. She fortunately has the day off of school, so we have lots of time to prep for Halloween on Friday, and we're really excited about some of the things that are brand new projects in GlueStick that we get to make together. The first one I want to show off are these awesome enchanting spellbook covers from our partner Denise over at STL Motherhood. My daughter has already made one of these. She saw them and absolutely could not wait to do them. This project should be very simple and is great because it's recycling an old paper bag. So kind of, if you remember the old days of covering your textbooks, right? I know we had to do that as a child. My child hasn't gotten to that age yet. Maybe she'll have to do it in middle school. But here in elementary school yet, she hasn't had to do it. But it's that same kind of paper folding technique. And then you decorate it with glitter glue and other fun supplies to make it look like an old spell book. Very fun. Really got her creative spirit going last weekend when she sat down to do this one. The other stuff that we're looking forward to doing together, I'm in love with these glowing Halloween luminaries. I just think spooky season is perfect for pulling out the candle crafts, and I think this is just going to look really awesome in our window, and I'm excited to get started playing with this one. Plus we have some contact paper that's been not fitting well in my drawer, so it'll be good to use up that supply. The next one that I'm really excited about doing with her on Friday is this ghost Halloween craft weaving project from our newest partner, In the Bag Crafts. I think this is just such a fun and unique way to help work on the fine motor skills that she is starting to master, that she needs for sewing. She's really interested in learning how to sew. I actually just let her start experimenting with my sewing machine, but pillows and lots of other projects, stuffies and things that she wants to make need some hand sewing, and she's not quite there. So I think this is going to be a really good project for her to practice those skills. And then I don't know if I'll be able to convince her to do this one, but it is darling. I think she was a little bit younger. We definitely could. But I think that these handprint and footprint Halloween ghost crafts are just adorable. And like missing the nostalgia of when I could get her to do these little keepsake crafts. So maybe one last one before she decides she's too big for them is what's on my crafty agenda for her on Friday. We have a ton of new Halloween crafts in the app, and if you haven't updated, go to the App Store, update it. We have a brand new section in the app that is all for holiday related projects. You can get to all of these Halloween projects as well as stuff for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and we'll have a whole bunch more there very soon. So check out that new holiday section of the app. We can't wait to hear what you will be making with your little ghouls and goblins this week as you celebrate the spooky season.